Ah, AMP looks like it wants to give. I don't know. I'm still looking at it. I'm quite I don't know what to call this. It's actually pumping, but coming right after two red candles. It's giving me the creeps. Guys. But this is pumping. This looks like it's gonna pump up. I think I should take some little AMP. I think AMP is gonna pump up because look at it, it's actually on a full candle. And you can see that the parabolic size is spaced. This is going to pump. Let's just go and take some. Let's take some. Another one. Yeah, we'll take AMP 4.99. Let's do that, guys. Let us do it. Let's do it. It should sell. It should buy. Yeah, it should buy any moment from now. Except maybe I want to go pick the higher price. It looks like it's going up. I think I have to go and pick the higher price. Let me see. It's not wasting time. It's not joking. It's not joking here. So let's go and pick the higher price. We pick the higher price, guys. We pick the higher price. That higher price is what we pick. Let's go with it. Yeah, bought. Because it's going up, guys. It is pumping and going up. Okay? When you see that something is pumping and going, oh, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? You were pumping just now. Oh my God. Look at it. I hope I didn't take this as a mistake, but it was actually pumping. I know AMP. AMP has this funny way it pumps. Can you see the way this one pumped? Let's go and do it. Let's go and do this in convert. I don't want to dash, Binance any of my money. 49.9. I will do it in convert. I'll do it in convert. AMP to convert limits. Okay, let's quickly do this. 2% and we're cool. 2% and we're cool. We'll pick one more trade and then we'll call it a day. All right. Yeah. Let's put in the max. Yes, it is. So we gotta just put that in. Let's put 4. Let's see what I will get somewhere there. That's a lot. 3, 8. Let's see. Okay, that's still a lot, guys. 3, 1 or 3, 2. Okay. 3, 5. Okay. 3, 6. I think I'm cool with this. Will work. Let's go with it, guys. Let's go with this. Let's see what AMP is gonna do. It's gonna do his magic. We'll just pump up high, like that. It doesn't waste time. You may be looking like this, but when it wants to pump, you just see it go to 16. That's what you just see. You just see it go to 16 and it will come back again. And then by that time, our trade has already executed, guys. That's it. Yeah. This AMP, it has its own ways. So let's just wait for it, guys. Let's wait for it. AMP, let's go check it out. It has executed already. How much did we buy? We bought AMP at $49.97. Okay, and what did we get? What did we get? $49.97, right? And what did we get? $51.34. Okay, let's go calculate that. $51.34. Okay, let's see that. 51.34 minus 49.97. We got $1.37, guys. $1.37. Oh, that looks like it's a 2.8% or 2.75, something in that range. Okay, so we will check this out. Let's go check 49.97 times 49.7 times 2.8. That was 2.75. Yeah, that's it. 2.75%, guys, for our AMP. Awesome. 2.7%. That was awesome, guys. We got $1.37. Lovely. Right before our eyes, it got executed. Few minutes. We will check how long it took. Anyways, I just wanted to show you that our trades get executed here, right? Our trades get executed here. So let's go and see which other one is about to get executed. So we still have more money to work with here. which is good, guys, which is good.